Welcome to this ultimate commodity trading strategy. So this is an extremely magical strategy which is making huge money and making money consistently over the past so many years also, and it is continuing to make good money even now. Okay, so good evening and welcome to the strategy. So you're going to learn something which is very important and very powerful as well, which will help you in commodity trading, be it any market, Indian commodity market or even international commodity market. You can trade both Indian as well as the international markets. Okay, let's get started. So, like, what do we need for this strategy? You can see certain lines here, like the red one, the blue one, and the green one. So you need to understand first what are these lines called and what is this called. Like you can see you can see on the right hand side, you can see MA4, MA9, and MA18 right hand side on the data window. You can see here, I'll just show you this one. MA4 is there, MA9 and MA18. You can see there are three MAs. So this MA is basically the moving average. Okay, so this is the magical moving average combination for the commodity markets. Moving average 4, moving average 9, and moving average 18. So if you don't know moving average, some people already know, those who are into trading. I'll just explain in brief what actually is a moving average. Suppose we take this one, red color one is MA4. So here you can see this is moving average period 4. And MA method is simple. So we have to use simple moving average and a period of 4. That is the first moving average we require in this combination. First one is 4, 9, and 18. The first moving average which we require for this strategy is MA4 or moving average period 4. Okay, and it has to be simple. You'll find many other options like exponential, smoothed, and linear. We have to use the simple moving average and apply to close. Okay, and select any color. You can select the red color for this. Okay, so all three colors, moving average colors, will be different from each other: red, blue, and green. So moving average 4, you can select as red color or any color of your choice. And if you click OK, this will be added. So what exactly is MA4 now? Moving average basically means it is the average price for the previous 4 candles. Okay, average price is on the basis of the closing price of the candle. Whatever is the average price for the previous 4 candles, it will show you the value in the data window. Like the current average price for nickel commodity is, for the last 4 periods or 4 candles, is 912.88. So this is the average price for the previous 4 candles on the basis of the closing price. Okay, so it is applied only on the closing price, on the closing basis. Okay, right, like I showed you here, like apply to close. So you'll also find apply to open, high, low, but always select apply to close. By default, it will be applied to close, but if it is not, then you need to change it to close. Okay, along with the MA method should be simple. Okay, and the first period is 4. So 4 means average price for the previous 4 candles on the basis of their closing prices for their respective candles. Okay, so it is the average price for the previous 4 candles. And what is moving average? MA9. So if you select MA9, so you just have to change the period to 9 and apply a blue color. Rest will remain the same. MA method will be simple, apply to close, or you can, this is the thickness. You can if you increase the thickness, you can see it more clearly. You can see this is the most thin one, but if you select more thick one, then you can easily see the thick moving average on your chart. Okay, so MA4 is the first one, average price for the previous 4 candles. MA9 is the average price for the previous 9 candles based on the basis of their closing prices. And the last moving average we need for this magical strategy is MA18 or the moving average 18. So MA18 is basically, you just need to change the period. In the period, you'll have to select MA18 MA method will be simple, apply to close, and green, and increase the thickness so that it is more clear on your screen and your chart. Okay, so these three moving averages are basically denoting us the average price for the previous 4 candles, 9 candles, and the green one is for the previous 18 candles. So if you want to see the average price currently for the previous 18 candles, it is 935.41. Previous 9 candles currently is 917. Previous 4 candles is 913. Okay, so it is basically telling us the average price for the previous 4, 9, and 18 candles on depending upon the closing value of the candle. Okay, so it is very simple. So in simple terms or simple words, average price for the whatever period you select. So for this strategy, we are selecting 4, 9, and 18. So we have to use this combination only in moving average. That is 4, 9, and 18. Okay, so we have to select this period only, 4, 9, and 18, no other period. So once you select this period, you can save this chart, save the template, so that you'll use the same template next day or next time when you see the chart. Okay, understood? So we need 3 moving averages, 4, 9, and 18. Simple moving average, not exponential, simple, 3 different colors, and then you can apply it on your chart. So you'll always find your moving average in indicators. Here you can find moving average. So you can add 4, 9. First you'll add 4, then you'll add 9, then you'll add 18. 3 different colors, MA method simple, and apply to close. And if you click OK, each time when you click OK, moving average will be added to your chart. Okay, so moving average is available on every trading platform anywhere in the world. So you can just insert the indicator moving average and apply the period, and you can see it on your chart. Okay, so this is moving average, and this combination which I'm telling you, like MA4, 9, and 18, using these 3 combinations of moving average, it is one of the most powerful methods to trade commodities. Okay, one of the most powerful methods. Top traders in India and commodity market and in the world trading the international commodity market use this combination and make huge money. You yourself will realize later, once I'll just explain the strategy, it can make huge money. And before applying the strategy, always do the back test. Okay, once you learn the strategy today, do the back testing. See yourself, see the current trades also, recent trade also, but see the past trade also, like how it went in the past or in the recent past, last 2, 3 months, 4 months. So you yourself will realize that it's working so well even today. Okay, so we'll start with the strategy. First we'll see like exactly when do we buy using this moving average combination, the magical strategy. Okay, so let's see when do we buy, what is our entry point, what is our exit point, when do we book our profits. So we are going to see that right now. Now you can write down also, like whatever I tell you, you can write down the points. Just 1 minute.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so now we will see like when do we buy a commodity, when is our entry price or the buy price. We will also see the short selling side, when do we sell in the bearish trend. But first we'll see in a bullish trend when exactly do we buy. So we'll consider this recent example, last example of nickel, which had come in a buy signal. Okay, now you can see when do we buy. You can write down these points. Now we have to buy, like first of all, for a bullish signal, you can see a buying alert takes in a downtrend when the 4 moving average crosses both the 9 and 18. So this is just a buying alert. Like you can see, red one is the 4 moving average. So first of all, the red one or the moving average 4 has to cross above both 9 and 18. So if you look at this candle on 18th of Feb, MA4 value is 875.1, MA9 is 873.06, or and MA18 is 873.88. So you can see MA4 is clearly above 9 and 18. Okay, so you can just check on this candle. MA4 is above 9 and 18. This is our first criteria for a buy. Okay, we are not buying immediately. This is just a first criteria. A buying alert takes place in a downtrend when the 4 moving average crosses both the 9 and the 18. So on this candle, on this particular candle, the 4 moving average, the red color moving average crosses above the blue and the green. That is the 9 and the 18. So this is the first criteria. This is just an alert. Okay, we are not buying immediately. This is just an alert or the first criteria for a bullish trend to start. All right. So on this day, on this candle, this is a 4-hour chart. So this you can apply it on the 4-hour chart or also on a daily chart. Okay, 4-hour is also very good for a swing trade. So you can follow this strategy even on a 4-hour chart also. But daily is also good, but 4 hours is also good for a swing trade. So on this candle, first criteria is fulfilled on this candle in the morning on 18th of Feb. The buying alert takes place in a downtrend when the 4 moving average crosses the 9 and the 18. So here the first criteria is met. 4 is above 9 and 18, or the 4 moving average has crossed above 9 and 18. All right, so this is the first condition or the first criteria which has been met for a buying signal or to buy a commodity. Now the second criteria is the most important one. After this criteria, after this condition is met, we have to see the second one. Now the second one is when will a confirmed buying signal occur? So this is just an alert for us. The trend is changing to bullish. Once MA4 crosses above 9 and 18, this is just an alert for us. Like it has turned bullish, but we are not buying immediately. This is just a buying alert once MA4 crosses above 9 and 18. Above 9 and 18. All right, so this is just a buying alert for us. Now, when do we exactly buy? So we will buy when a confirmed buy signal will come when the 9 moving average, which is the blue color one, when the 9 moving average crosses above the 18. So on this candle, if you see on the 18th, 9 was still below the 18. 9 is 873.06 and MA18 is 873.88. So 9 is still below the 18. The first criteria is met on this candle. MA4 has crossed 9 and 18, but the second condition or the criteria is moving average 9 should also cross 18. Then that is a confirmed buying signal. So on this candle, only 4 has crossed 9 and 18. 9 hasn't crossed 18 yet. 9 hasn't gone above 18 yet. So we will see on the next candle. Next candle also MA9 value is 873.26 and MA18 is 873.52. So still MA9 has not crossed MA18. So the second confirmed buying signal has not yet come for us. Even though the trend is still bullish because MA4 has crossed 9 and 18, but MA9 has to cross 18 moving average, then a confirmed buying signal will be there for that particular commodity. So on this candle, still MA4 is above 9 and 18, but MA9 is not above 18 yet. Okay, so we have to wait. First MA4 will cross 9 and 18. First MA4 will cross 9 and 18, but MA9 also has to cross 18 for a confirmed buying signal. Okay, so we will just see here. Now on this candle, if you see, MA4 value is 882. Okay, MA4 value is 882, MA9 value is 873.97. Okay, so MA4 is still above 9 and 18, but MA9 is still below 18. So MA9 has to go above MA18. MA9 has to go above MA18 to get a confirmed buying signal. Okay, so let's see now. On this candle, it is still below 18. On the next candle, yeah, on this candle, if you see on the 18th of Feb, at 9 p.m. we got a confirmed buying signal. MA9 has gone above. MA9 has gone above 18. So MA18 value is 874.89 and MA9 value is 876.28. So MA9 has crossed MA18. So this is a confirmed buying signal for us. Now that MA9 has crossed MA18, this is a confirmed buying signal. All right. So on this particular candle at 9 p.m. on 18th of Feb, we got a confirmed buying signal. So before on 18th in the morning, we had got a buying alert. We didn't buy here immediately. We had got a bullish alert or a buying alert that MA4 has crossed 9 and 18. But MA9 for a confirmed buying signal, MA9 has to cross 18, then that's a confirmed buying signal. So on this candle on the 18th in the night at 9 p.m., MA9 crossed MA18. MA9 value is 876.28, MA18 is 874.89. So MA9 has crossed MA18. So now both MA4 and MA9 are above MA18. So this is a confirmed buying signal. Once MA9 crosses MA18, after MA4 has crossed, before MA4 has crossed 9 and 18, now MA9 has crossed 18. This is a confirmed buying signal for a buy trade or for a bullish trade. Okay, so we can buy here. Suppose your buying price was around 889. So we bought this because there was a confirmed buying signal that MA9 it has gone above MA18. So that's a confirmed buying signal. Okay, so MA4 is also above 9 and 18. That's just a buying alert. And then once MA9 crosses above MA18, that's a buying signal, confirmed buying signal. Now let's see, when do we exit the trade? So we bought at 889. Now let's see, when do we exit the trade or sell the trade or sell whatever we have bought. Now for an exit, it is very simple. So you'll come to know exactly where do we exit and book our profits. So majority of the times you will book profits, but exact when do we exit, let's see right now. I hope you got this. Okay, so this was a bullish trend or a confirmed buying signal. Now when do we sell whatever we have bought, or when do we book our profits? Okay, now first, so when do we exit, we will see that. So, or when do we book profits now? So when, for a sell, suppose we bought here at 889. So a selling alert will come first of all. Before a short sell signal will come, a selling alert will come. Okay, so that time we have to sell. The first thing that should take place is that the 4 moving average should go below the 9 and 18. So that is a selling alert. So in this selling alert, we can sell whatever we had bought. So the 4 moving average should go below 9 and 18. So let's see here on 26th of Feb. 4 moving average is below 9 and 18 or not. So MA4 value here is 917. MA9 value is 920. So MA4 is below 9, but it is still not below MA18. MA4 value is 917.65, MA9 is 920, and MA18 is 914.64. So for a selling alert, when will a selling alert take place? When MA4 will cross below 9 and 18. At that time, we have to exit our positions. Whatever we had bought, we have to sell our commodity or exit our positions and book our profits. So once that takes place, when MA4 goes below 9 and 18, that is the point we exit our positions. So I'll just show you here. MA4, yeah. Yeah. Suppose on this candle on 27th of Feb in the morning, you see all the 3 values in the data window on the right hand side. MA4 value is 914.82, MA9 is 917.36, MA18 is 916.62. So you can see clearly MA4 is below 9 and 18. 914 is MA4, MA9 is 917, and MA18 is 916. So as soon as this happens, as soon as MA4 crosses 9 and 18, this is just a selling alert. That means we have to sell our positions or book profits on our positions, whatever we had bought earlier, book our profits here. So we bought here at 889 here, and we sold here on 27 around 914 price. So we made a profit of around 15 plus, that is around 25 to 26 rupees profit in nickel, 26 points in nickel. Okay, so when once MA4 crosses below 9 and 18, that is the exit point. That is the time where we have to book our profits. Okay, so this is important. So write down this: once MA4 crosses below 9 and 18, we have to exit or sell our positions, whatever we had bought. So we are not entering into a new sell position. We are only selling whatever we had bought, because this is just a selling alert. All right. So this is not a short selling signal. This is just a selling alert. Whatever we had bought earlier, we are selling it right now. So we bought here on 18 and sold here on 27, because MA4 crossed below 9 and 18. So that's a selling alert. So we have to square off our positions, whatever we had bought according to the buying strategy. All right. So this is the entry point for a buy and this exit point for a sell. So this, I hope you understood. So you can watch this again, like if you didn't understand the buying criteria, but it is very simple. Buy, and then when we have to sell or exit our positions or book our profit is once MA4 crosses below 9 and 18. That's the point where we book our profits or exit our positions. All right. Okay, I hope you understood. So very simple strategy, and we have to exit. So don't wait here. Once MA4 crosses below 9 and 18, there's no need to wait. You just have to exit our positions, your positions, and book your profits, take home your profits. Like we got around 25 rupees here. Be happy with 25 rupees for this trade, and wait for the next trade, and wait for the next buying signal or a selling signal. Okay, so this was the buying entry point, and the when do we exit. Now when do we short sell? When do we sell in a bearish trend? Let's see that now. Now if you see the current example, we will see here. Now this trade I have this trade also currently in nickel. This had come here. Okay, now for a sell signal, to sell in a bearish trend, to take a new position in a bearish trend or a short sell signal, the first criteria for a sell signal is to short sell a commodity is that the 4 moving average should cross below 9 and 18. So that's a selling alert. Okay, so that's only a selling alert. Like we had seen a buying alert here earlier. Now for a selling alert, MA4 should cross below 9 and 18, then that's only a selling alert. That means the trend is changing to bearish. So let's see here on 27th, on 7th of March. Now you can see MA4 values 951.7, MA9 is 955, and MA18 is 946. So MA4 is still not below 9 and 18. It is below 9, but still not below the 18. So let's see on the next candle. Yeah, on the next candle on the 7th of March in the afternoon, MA4 values 946.6, MA9 is 953.8, and MA18 is 946.94. So here you can see MA4 is below 9 and 18. So that's a selling alert for us. So you got to be alert here that the short sell signal in a bearish trend may come. So that means once MA4 crosses below 9 and 18, that's a selling alert. Like we have to be alert. A new trade on the bearish side may come shortly. Okay, so this is just a selling alert that a trend is changing to bearish once MA4 crosses below 9 and 18. Okay, we don't have to sell immediately here. This is just an alert once MA4 crosses below 9 and 18. So we still have to wait for a confirmed sell signal. So when will a confirmed short sell signal come? Here. Once MA9 crosses below 18, then that's a confirmed sell signal. So let's see here on the 7th of March at 5 p.m. MA9 value is, MA4 is of course below 9 and 18. MA9 is 950.40 and MA18 is 946. So MA9 still is not below 18. So it's still a confirmed sell signal has not come. All right. So let's see the next candle. On this candle, if you see, MA9 value is 946.34 and MA18 is 946.37. So MA9 has crossed MA18. So that's a confirmed sell signal here on 7th of March. On 7th of March at 9 p.m. this trade had come on nickel. Once MA9 crosses below MA18, that's a confirmed sell signal. That means that's a confirmed bearish trend. Now the trend is down. Please sell me. That's the way charts tell you. Okay. So on this day, on this at 9 p.m. in the 4-hour chart, there was a confirmed sell signal because MA9 crossed below MA18. That's a confirmed sell signal. So first, always a selling alert will come once MA4 crosses MA9 and 18. Then a confirmed sell signal will come once MA9 crosses MA18. That's a confirmed sell signal. So here we will sell around 921. We will sell here. So I have sold. Currently, I have taken this trade. So we are in a bearish trend right now in nickel. So from around 921.5 was the selling price. All right. Okay. So I hope you understood the selling alert also. And then when will a selling confirmed sell signal will come? So after a selling alert only, a confirmed sell signal will come once MA9 crosses below MA18. That's a confirmed sell signal. All right. So this is the live trade which is currently going on in nickel. So now when will I book my profits? When will I buy again for my short trade? So right now, if you see, the trend is still down, the exit has not yet come. So when will the exit come? So first of all, a buying alert will come, then we have to exit our positions. So once MA4 crosses MA9 and 18, then we have to exit our position. So right now in a live trade, once this line MA4 goes above 9, that is the blue line, and the 18, that time I will exit my position, or whatever I had sold earlier, I will buy my position again to book my profits. So once the buying alert comes, once the red goes above 9 and 18, that's a buying alert. So on that buying alert, we have to exit our positions and book our profits. Okay, just like here, when the buying alert here on this candle, MA4 is above, has crossed 9 and 18, that's a buying alert. So on that buying alert, we will exit our bearish shortish, we will exit our short trade when the buying alert occurs, when MA4 crosses above 9 and 18. So that is the time to book profits and enjoy your profits. Okay, so this is now, this currently the trade is going on. So the exit has not yet come in this commodity. So once MA4 crosses above 9 and 18, that is the time to book profits and exit our positions. And whatever profits you get, 15 rupees, 20 points, 15 points, take home your profits. All right. So this is the simplest strategy, but a very powerful strategy in commodity trading. Okay, once MA4 crosses above MA9 and 18, on that buying alert, we will exit our positions. And suppose after that buying alert, when will a new buy signal come? Only if MA9 crosses above MA18, then a new buy bullish trend will start, buy signal will come, then that time we can buy again, take a new trade. Okay, after that, once a buying alert comes, we are only exiting our positions. Whatever we had sold, we will exit our positions. But to buy again, to take a new trade, we have to wait for MA9 to go above MA18. Then we will take a new signal in a bullish trend, and then we can buy this commodity again. Okay, on the buying alert, we will only exit our positions. But once a confirmed buying signal comes, once MA9 crosses MA18, that is the point to take a new trade. All right. Okay, friends. So this was the most simplest strategy which I explained to you, but a very powerful strategy. Okay, how you can watch the recording once again, like exactly when a buying alert takes place. So two things are important: buying alert and a confirmed buying signal, selling alert and a confirmed selling signal. Okay, so alert may we are only exiting our positions, and in a confirmed buy or a confirmed sell signal, we are taking a new position, either buy in a bullish we are buying or taking a short position in a bearish trend when a confirmed sell signal occurs. Okay, there are two parts to it: confirm buying, sorry, buying alert, selling alert, confirm buy signal, and a confirmed sell signal. All right. Okay, so you can back test this strategy. I'll show you one more example. Now, like this trade, look at this in a bearish trend, alumini. So this trade had come here. So first of all, a selling alert came here. Now, if you see on this 4th of March, yeah, MA4 is below MA9 and 18. In the next candle, MA9 has also crossed MA18. So on this candle on 5th of March, around 133.1, I had taken this trade in a short. I had taken the short trade in a bearish trend. So here, because this was a confirmed sell signal on 5th of March in the morning, 9 a.m. Because MA9 has crossed MA18. MA9 value is 134.32 and MA18 is 134.37. The first selling alert took place. Selling alert was there before when MA4 crosses 9 and 18, and on this candle on 5th of March, MA9 crosses MA18. That's a confirmed sell signal. A confirmed sell signal is we have to short the commodity or sell the commodity in a bearish trend. So I had sold this at a, I'm still with this trade. So still the exit has not come for this trade. Okay, so I've sold at 132.6. So if you take alumini, you can take mini lot also and a big lot also. So alumini is I have taken 5 mini lots. So the current profit, so I had sold at 133 and the current price is around 128.65. So around 4.5 rupees of profit. So that is for 5 lots, for 5 mini lots is around 22,000 rupees current the profit which I'm making right now. Okay, in alumini. Okay, you can take one big lot also of aluminium or any commodity, or you can take the mini lot also, whatever is suitable. You can take either one big lot or one mini lot or whatever capital according to your capital. I've taken mini lot also and I've taken a big lot also. So you can divide also, take mini lot and a big lot, or you can take only mini lots. Okay, so I've taken both the big lot and as well as the mini lot. All right, so now if you see, I've sold, we had sold this at 133.1 because there was a confirmed selling signal. Now if you see, when we will exit this short position, when MA4 crosses above 9, that is above the blue line, and then when it crosses above 18 in the end. So once MA4 crosses above 9 and 18, that is the point to buy and exit or book our profits. So if you see, currently the exit has not yet come. MA4 crossed MA9, but it didn't cross MA18. So once it crosses MA9 and then crosses MA18, that is a buying alert. So on that buying alert, we have to exit our positions. Whatever we had sold at 133.1, we will buy. So until and unless that buying alert doesn't come, we will just continue our position, be in the trade, continue to be in the trade. So as a rule, exit only at the exit point, then you will make maximum profits. All right, so now right now I'm in this trade at 133.1, but still I'm in the trade, still I'm making money, but I will only exit once MA9 crosses MA18. Sorry, once MA4 crosses above 9 and 18 on a buy, that will be a buying alert. That time I will exit my position and book my profits. Okay, so this is a live trade which is going on even in alumini. Similarly in copper. So copper also you can see I had sold it somewhere here around 458, 459 because there was a confirmed sell signal. Then it came down, and when will we exit, or when will I exit my position? Once MA4 crosses above 9 and 18, on that buying alert, I will exit or square off my short position. So that on a buying alert, I'll only exit my position and book my profits. And then if there is a confirmed buy signal later on, once MA9 also crosses above MA18, then that will be a confirmed buy signal. Then I will buy that commodity. Then I will buy copper again. All right. So even in copper, you can buy mini lot also or a big lot also. So you have two options in commodities, a mini lot or a big lot. Okay, so this is working like fantastic. Now even in silver has made huge profits. Like it has given tremendous profits to me as well in the last so many days, last 1 month also. Okay, if you can see the silver here, there was a confirmed sell signal somewhere here around 40,000. This was my last trade in silver in the month of February that come 26 40,000 till around when there was a buying alert here around 38,000 to almost 1,800 points I made in this trade in silver or silver mini. So even in silver you can take a big lot or a silver mini. So 1,800 points in just how many days? Around 10 days, 10 working days, or around 8 to 10 working days. So 1,800 points is a very good profit for silver also. And if you see the previous trade, there was a buy signal here, confirm buy signal, confirm buying alert. There was a buying alert, then a confirm buy signal. Here also 800 points. So you can check for yourself. So this has given tremendous profits in each and every commodity. So I won't prefer natural gas. So we will not trade natural gas using this strategy because I don't trade natural gas, but it is not that successful in natural gas compared to other commodities like gold, mini, silver, lead, aluminum, copper, nickel, zinc. These commodities will do very well using this strategy. So you saw silver last trade was 1,800 points, then 800 points. Then here also we made around 1,500 points. And again, there was a buy signal here in the month of January from around 39,000 to somewhere here around 40,300, 1,300 points. So 1,000, 1,300 points is quite regular in silver also, which is very good. Similarly in gold mini also. Gold mini also there was a short trade here from around 33,000 to around 32,000. Here also you got 1,000 points in gold. So 1,000 points in gold is also very good. Okay, depending, very good, depending any lot size, mini lot or a big lot. So before that also we made 500 points. So this has given fantastic results in each and every commodity. Even in crude oil also you can apply crude oil, except natural gas. Any commodity, metals or crude oil on gold and silver will do, except natural gas. You will make huge money. I showed you aluminum also, lead also. So if you see, I've taken this trade in lead also. So even in lead we are short from around 148.5, and now still that exit has not come. So we got a confirmed selling signal, but when will we exit? When MA9 crosses above MA18. Sorry, when MA4 crosses above 9 and MA18, that's a buying alert. Then we will exit our short positions. So once we exit, then wait for a new confirm buy signal. If MA9 crosses above MA18, then there will be a confirm buy signal. Then that time we can take a new trade. Then that time we can buy. But right now we are continuing in the short trade. So when the exit comes, when a buying alert will come, I'll exit my position. So until and unless the buying alert doesn't come in a short trade, we will not exit our positions. Then once again a confirmed buy signal will come, then we will take a new trade and buy that commodity. Okay, very simple strategy, but giving huge results. I've traded this strategy for the past so many months. After studying for some period, it has given huge profits in each and every commodity, not just one or two commodities. If you take any commodity, be it silver, gold, crude oil, gold mini, lead mini, nickel, copper, zinc, any commodity you take, it works wonders. It is one of the best strategies, simple but the most powerful one. And I've given you this magical strategy, but it is up to you to backtest and apply the strategy. First, don't straight away apply, backtest at least some charts, all the charts, all the 8 commodities, and then you can trade using the strategy. All right. So you can see current trades are in copper. You can just check this in aluminum. Aluminium, lead, copper, nickel, silver, lead, gold. You can check all these charts. Even crude oil also I'll show you. So crude oil also, you can see there was a buy signal here in the month of February, which made huge profits here from around 3788 to around, we made around 300 points here also. Now if you see, a buy trade may come. Now a buying alert has come, may come right now. Then and if a new trade comes, we can buy crude oil also. But it works wonders in each and every commodity. So just back test, see for yourself in the past how it has performed in the recent times, and then trade, and then see the charts, back test, and then trade and take up new positions when a confirmed buy signal will come. So first a buying alert or a selling alert will come, then a confirmed buy or a confirmed sell signal will come. That is the time to take a new position. All right. So this is a wonderful strategy and it has given huge profits. And if you see the live trades, I have my trades in lead, nickel, copper, aluminium, even zinc, and silver. I had taken this trade. So like it has given huge profits for me also. And now I'm just sharing with you so that even you make these huge profits even in commodity markets. All right. So this is the best, I would say, in the top two strategies for commodity in the world. If not the first one, but certainly in the top two. All right, so you can trade Indian commodities or anybody can trade this even in international commodity markets. The strategy remains the same whether for Indian commodities or for the international commodity markets. The strategy remains the same. All right, hope you understood this strategy. See the recording once again, have a look at the recording, write down the important points, and then back test and then trade. All right, friends. So I hope you like this strategy, and definitely it will help you once you backtest, see for yourself, and then trade. All right, friends. Thank you so much. Very thank you so very much for seeing this recording. And but backtest yourself, see the trades, see the current trades also, which I showed you right now, and then see the magic in commodity trading and also magic in your life related to your profits in commodity trading. All right, friends, see you soon. And we will hold a live webinar also next time so that if you have any questions, then you can ask me. Till then, see the recording, practice, backtest, and then trade. Thank you so much.